Is it the right time to buy or sell Ault Alliance stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the world of Ault Alliance. We initially released a report on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024. Today, we're here to bring you an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Keep in mind that this video is solely for informational purposes and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since January 19, 2024, our system has ranked Ault Alliance as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.18. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock hasn't performed as expected, with a significant loss of 37.84% so far. This means the stock has been experiencing an average daily loss of 1.99% since it was listed as a buy candidate. This stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend, indicating potential for further growth. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected potential change of 108.19%, with a possible return ranging from 8.75% to 376.36%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, there is a projected change of -99.61%, with a potential return of -100.00% to -101.77%. This would result in a price range of $0 to $0.0083 after a year. In today's update for Ault Alliance, we have some interesting news. The stock price of Ault Alliance Incorporated experienced a volatile ride on Wednesday, moving between $0.417 and $0.510. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, February 14, 2024, the Ault Alliance Incorporated stock price dropped by 9.11%, going from $0.518 to $0.471. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 22.36%, reaching a low of $0.417 and a high of $0.510. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in a total decrease of 5.37%. Interestingly, the volume of shares traded also decreased on the same day, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume should follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 69 million shares, with a total of 6 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.68 million. Let's take a look at the stock price over the past 52 weeks. The highest price reached was $42, while the lowest was $0.0510. Currently, the price is 98.88% lower than the 52-week high, which means it's at $41.53. Furthermore, it's 99.93% lower than the all-time high, which was achieved on November 18, 2021, with a price of $651. Analysts have given Ault Alliance stock a general rating of sell. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong sell. Let's dive into the signals identified for Ault Alliance. The stock of Ault Alliance Incorporated shows promising buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. Additionally, the relation between these two signals suggests a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock may find support at $0.423 and $0.369. However, a breakdown below these levels would issue sell signals. We should also consider some negative signals that could impact the near short-term development. On Wednesday, January 17, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -47.32% so far. This suggests a further fall until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. On the last trading day, the volume decreased alongside the price, which reduces the overall risk since volume tends to follow price movements. Today, I want to share some other interesting signals with you. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently indicating a sell signal. Next, we have the pivots, which showed a sell signal 21 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger signal suggests a buy signal that occurred 318 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, we can see a buy signal that occurred 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. It's important to note the relationship between the short and long moving averages, which showed a buy signal 22 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart to gain further insights. According to the short moving average, a sell signal was observed 9 days ago. However, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. Again, considering the relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was observed 16 days ago. For more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ault Alliance. Now, let's talk about the support levels for Ault Alliance Incorporated. In the current market, the stock has found support just below its current level at $0.413 and $0.408. It's important to understand that when a stock tests a support level, there is a certain amount of risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. For Ault Alliance Incorporated, the next support levels from accumulated volume would be at $0.408 and $0.400. It's worth noting that this stock exhibits high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band suggests a wide prediction interval, indicating a very high-risk stock. Looking at the past day, the stock had a price range of $0.0932 or 22.36% between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 45.07%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Ault Alliance, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It's common for established companies to face temporary downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 19, 2024. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for Ault Alliance. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ault Alliance is at $0.516. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be broken before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Ault Alliance faces its first support level at $0.413. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Ault Alliance is sell. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. AULT Milton C3, a key insider, has made the 5 most recent trades. They purchased and sold a total of 48,036,310 shares or options in the company. By analyzing the 56 most recent insider trades, we've calculated a positive insider power ratio of 87.724. In total, insiders have purchased 55,142,634 shares and sold 1,075,000 shares in the last 56 trades. Based on our analysis, we recommend setting the stop loss at $0.451, with a decrease of 4.28%. This particular stock exhibits significant daily movements, which increases the level of risk associated with it. Additionally, we have observed a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 20 days ago. Is Ault Alliance stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a general good trend for Ault Alliance Incorporated stock. This indicates that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Furthermore, our systems have found that the current price is overvalued based on the volatility and movements in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Thursday, February 15th, we expect Ault Alliance to open down by $0.0049 and start trading at $0.466. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure to comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.